Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Fluctus Channel. The history of the United States and Japan is not pleasant, since everyone remembers what occurred at the end of World War II. Yet after the extremely devastating Second World War, the two nations eventually formed strong alliances that shaped influence across East Asia. The United States also operates several permanent bases in Japan and engages in many joint training drills and exercises. For instance, during Exercise Iron Fist, both the US and Japanese forces carried out amphibious and land-based contingency operations. One of the most notable demonstrations involved fast roping from a CH-53E Stallion. Troops from both nations wore gloves and slid down a thick rope lowered from the helicopter. Fast roping is an essential method that enables troops to deploy in areas where the helicopter cannot land. A distinctive collaboration between Japanese and US forces took place to prepare for Orient Shield, a bilateral exercise designed to boost combat readiness and interoperability between the two forces. Nearly 750 soldiers from the US military and 600 soldiers from the Japanese forces participated in this exercise. 15 strikers, together with support equipment, were positioned at US Army Japan's Yokohama North Dock. The soldiers detached the hooks and chains from the strikers and guided them off the naval vessels. The Shinmaiwa US-2 is perfectly suited for maritime surveillance, which explains why, since its debut, Japan has remained the primary operator of this aircraft. To date, only 8 of these planes have been produced since their introduction in March 2007. However, this could change soon because of interest from the United States and several other countries. This remarkable amphibious aircraft is specifically engineered as a short takeoff and landing. STOL plane, allowing it to operate from almost any location, including runways, landing strips, oceans, and even lakes. The Shinmaiwa US-2 measures approximately 110 feet in length, with a wingspan of about 108 feet. It can carry up to 20 passengers and has a maximum takeoff weight of roughly 47,000 kilograms. Additionally, its 4 robust Rolls-Royce AE2000 100 engines generate over 4,500 horsepower, enabling the aircraft to reach speeds of up to 350 miles per hour. Beyond this, the Shinmaiwa US-2 can also operate at slow speeds near 56 miles per hour before stalling, a feature crucial for its primary role, air-to-sea rescue. These capabilities will undoubtedly enhance the United States' capacity to operate in the Pacific Ocean. As a result, U.S. pilots and navigators have already begun collaborating with Japanese forces to master operating the Shinmaiwa US-2 as effectively as possible. The pilots and navigators received instruction on flying the aircraft from Japanese operators using a US-2 simulator. The simulator enables pilots to rehearse a variety of scenarios, including standard takeoffs and landings, as well as emergencies such as engine failures or severe weather. Meanwhile, navigators can familiarize themselves with numerous navigation systems in the Shinmaiwa US-2 simulator and also practice emergency procedures, including navigating without GPS or other electronic tools. Not only does Japan provide aircraft to the US, but support also flows in the opposite direction. A notable example is the $3 billion sale of 17 Bell Boeing V-22 Osprey tiltrotor aircraft, along with support equipment to Japan. The Bell Boeing V-22 Osprey is an American multi-role aircraft with both vertical takeoff and landing, and short takeoff and landing capabilities. This distinctive aircraft merges the versatility of a helicopter with the long-range, high-speed performance of a turboprop airplane. The V-22, which entered service in the 2000s, is operated by both the United States and Japan, representing a major advancement in aviation technology. First flown in 1988 and deployed in 2007 after extensive development, the V-22 combines helicopter-like vertical takeoff with the range of a fixed-wing plane. The V-22 Osprey has notable general characteristics. It normally carries a crew of 3 to 4, including a pilot, co-pilot, and up to 2 flight engineers or crew chiefs. The aircraft can transport 24-seated troops or up to 32 if floor-loaded. It can also carry substantial cargo, with a capacity of 20,000 pounds internally or 15,000 pounds externally. The Osprey can transport vehicles such as the M1161 Growler. Its dimensions include a length of 57 feet 4 inches, a wingspan of nearly 46 feet, and a height of 22 feet 1 inch. Compact enough to fit in tight spaces when folded, it is powered by two Rolls-Royce turboprop or turboshaft engines producing 6,150 horsepower each. Performance-wise, it reaches speeds up to 275 knots and a range of 879 nautical miles, extendable with aerial refueling. Its service ceiling is 25,000 feet, and it climbs between 2,320 and 4,000 feet per minute. For defense, it can be armed with machine guns and a missile approach warning system, making it suitable for various military missions. Another aircraft, resulting from the collaboration between the US and Japan, is the Mitsubishi F-15J. This twin-engine, all-weather fighter is derived from the American McDonnell Douglas F-15 Eagle and operates with the Japan Air Self-Defense Force. Mitsubishi Heavy Industries manufactured the F-15J under license, and it has been a vital component of Japan's air defense ever since. They did not stop there. The F-15DJ and the enhanced F-15J MSIP variants followed, keeping the fleet up to date and effective. Notably, Japan is the largest operator of the F-15 Eagle outside the US, demonstrating the strong aerospace relationship between the two countries. The F-15DJ also serves a dual purpose, being used for both combat and training. There is even a modernized model called the F-15J Kai, although Japan now prefers to refer to these upgrades as JMSIP or F-15MJ rather than Kai. Examining the specifications of the Mitsubishi F-15J, it is designed for a single pilot, measuring 63 feet 9 inches long, with a wingspan of 42 feet 10 inches and a height of 18 feet 6 inches. The F-15J has an empty weight of approximately 28,000 pounds, but can take off at a maximum weight of 68,002 pounds. Powered by two Pratt & Whitney F-100 turbofan engines, each producing 25,000 pounds of thrust, with afterburner, it can reach a top speed exceeding 1,650 miles per hour at high altitudes and a service ceiling of 66,000 feet, climbing at 50,000 feet per minute. For armament, it is equipped with a 20mm M61 Vulcan cannon and can carry various missiles and bombs across 10 hardpoints. The cooperation between nations in sharing technology and expertise highlights the strength of international partnerships. Whether through amphibious aircraft like Japan's innovative seaplanes, the advanced V-22 Osprey, or the formidable Mitsubishi F-15J fighters, These joint efforts greatly enhance global security and operational effectiveness. From the shores of Japan to the skies over the Pacific, the alliance between the United States and Japan has developed into one of the most capable and technologically sophisticated partnerships in the world. What started in the aftermath of war has transformed into a strong bond, grounded in cooperation, shared values, and dedication to regional stability. Joint exercises, combined training, and the exchange of advanced aircraft and equipment highlight just how closely these two nations depend on each other to face the challenges of an ever-changing world. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our new content. See you next time.